just 18 uploads on YouTube, I was able to reach 7,000 watch hours. Some of my videos got 1,600 watch hours and others got 1,000 watch hours. All this happened in just 3 weeks. Here's the easy niche that I picked to create my channel, and here's how I did it. I recently started a faceless channel in order to earn money on YouTube. In order to earn money on YouTube, you require 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers in the last 365 days on long-form content. The alternative criteria to monetize on YouTube is 10 million varied short views and 1,000 subscribers within the last 90 days. In order to get 4,000 watch hours fast, I decided to create 1 hour long content. This meant that if 1,000 people watched my content, I would have gained 1,000 watch hours, therefore translating to only needing 4 videos in order to reach the 4,000 watch hours required to monetize my channel. I needed to pick a niche that would allow me to create 1 hour long content without putting in so much effort into it. I realized that during the night, most countries experience cold weather, so I decided to create a fireplace channel using AI in order to benefit the people from regions with cold weather and cold nights. People like to play fireplace videos for long hours as they read their books or work on their laptops. Now that I had picked my niche, it was now time to find out if YouTube actually monetized these fireplace YouTube channels. After doing my research, I realized that channels creating this fireplace content were actually monetized, meaning the RPM for this channel is very good due to the length of the videos, which is 1 hour plus, allowing for YouTube to place many ads in between the videos. The content needed to look realistic in order to give the vibe of a real fireplace. So how was I going to do it? I searched on Google for fireplace images that looked realistic and amazing to watch at the same time. I downloaded the images from Google and uploaded them into ChatGPT, told ChatGPT to write image prompts to create the exact image. I needed a 4K resolution image, and the best AI to create both realistic and 4K images was Leonardo AI. Now came the part where I would turn these images into videos. I first tried using Grok AI, but the animation kept zooming in or moving sideways. I decided to switch to another image to video generator, and that's when I discovered Whisk AI. Whisk AI is a platform that allows you to create the image and then you can animate it later. I uploaded the image I had onto Whisk AI, then I asked Whisk AI to create a replica of the image so that I could be able to animate it. to make the fireplace burn steadily without zooming or moving sideways, and I was pleased with the results. I used CapCut for my edits, looping the 6-second video several times to reach 1 hour and 11 minutes. The fireplace effects I sourced from YouTube audio library and added them to the video. Then I downloaded that video from CapCut in 4K resolution. I asked ChatGPT to suggest SEO-friendly file names that would be perfect for a fireplace video. As the video was uploading, I also asked ChatGPT to suggest SEO-friendly video title, SEO-friendly description, and SEO-friendly tags. I added an end screen and completed the upload process. The first video I uploaded gave me these watch hours. The other one gave me these watch hours. The next one gave me these watch hours. Overall, my best performing videos in terms of watch hours has given me 1600 watch hours. My second best has given me 1000 watch hours. Another video has given me 661 watch hours. And I can show you the rest of the videos. As you can see, if you add all these adds up to 7,414 watch hours in just 3 weeks. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, I would really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe to the channel.